God, this game is not long enough to need 20 files.
Yeah.
Feels like the head moved.
Because it did move.
I mean, because you're already quite a ways in. Like, if you know what you're doing, you could probably get through this in maybe, like, 20 to 30 minutes, I think. Go where only one eye is open. This one stumped me for a bit. I think Jesse figured it out. A large open mouth is drawn on the wall. There's a hole.
It said only going where there's one eye open.
There's a hole just big enough to crawl in.
I did. But did it not say
Where one eye is open. Two of them have no eyes and one of them has both.
yeah, see?
It is the room you need to be in. You've not missed anything. An open eye is drawn on the wall.
I don't understand.
I'll give you a minute to see if you can figure this out. This is the room you need to be in. Why can't you keep going to that letter?
I want to see if I have to put it over the.
It's kind of interesting how they just randomly lowered your visibility in this room.
Yeah.
Especially in the room where it talks about having one eye open. Kind of makes you wonder if there's a reason, like what the reasoning was for limit lowering your visibility in this room. I don't know, maybe they wanted to do like some sort of trick with the eyes. It's kind of like you can only have like two eyes on screen at a time. For the most part. There you go. Make noise in 4 rooms. A pumpkin with a face carved into it. It doesn't make much of a sound. Some playing cards. There's a 12 card with a queen on it and a 13 with a king on it. A big pumpkin. Sounds nice. Blue eyes see the score. Painting of a silver-haired woman. Painting of a black-haired woman. Painting of a blonde-haired woman. Painting of a red-haired woman. Won't open. A mirror. A small music box. Its key is missing. Maybe he doesn't like the music selection. Cute little table. Play the music box with 12. Witch's Diary. After that, I X all my friends who came over to play. Then I fed them all to the house. But it wasn't enough. Roses adorn the desk. It won't turn on. A tightly shut window. A tightly shut window. Cute little table. A Jack in the Box. His face is red.
Can I not take? Thought maybe I could put him on the table.
A toy soldier with a fake gun. It
That's
sure
okay.
didn't look fake. You need not play. A book titled Eye Studies. People have different eye colors. We know the following about women in this region in particular. Their eye color depends on their hair color. The 4 hair colors are silver, black, gold, and red. The 4 eye colors are brown, green, blue, and red. Silver-haired women have red eyes, and brown-haired women can have either blonde or red hair. Doesn't make much of a sound. It's locked. There's some small text. Make noise in 4 rooms. A grand piano. There's nothing on the music rest.
It was worth a shot. It was 50-50 shot.
Gorgeous face.
I said not to. I took my chance.
It's okay, me and Mary did the same thing. A lot of the things you've done and gotten killed over, me and Mary also did. The teacup.
Bro, what? I'm so lost.
You see yourself covered in blood. A mirror shows a girl with green eyes. What was the goal in this room? Let's start here.
Blue eyes see the score. I have green eyes.
Now, a score is a sheet of music, by the way. So, you need to figure out who has blue eyes.
Oh, it means I get to go back. Here. Who has blue eyes?
So we know silver-haired women have red and brown.
Brown has either...
Silver has red eyes, blonde or red hair women have brown.
My character's blonde with green eyes.
Now, we don't know what kind of eye color a black hair woman has.
Yeah. There it goes.
We know they would have brown.
Wait, then that made sound, so I think that's it.
And we know silver has red.
I don't know.
Silver hair has red. Blonde and red have brown. But what kind of eye color would that black hair woman have?
Does it wouldn't be blue, would it?
Could be. It does say she sees the score. So where's she looking? You see a white sheet stuck in the crack. You got some sheet music.
Or don't leave it all.
You'll probably have to grab the paper again, by the way. The door might be locked. It won't open.
Well, bro.
You are doing what you need to do. Like, you do need the sheet music.
I don't know where to go!
She's turning you into a painting. If only she had stayed in hers, right?
See the kiss? Play the music with 12 fonts. Okay, yeah.
Fake gun, huh?
I just walked out again as it was playing.
I wonder where we can use that sheet music at.
There it is. I still tried it.
That was different, though.
Yeah, like, what?
You need not play. The piano began playing itself. The vase shook and spat out a turnkey, or as I read it when Mary was playing, turkey. And she thought that was pretty funny. So you made noise in a room, so that flame is now lit. Free to go. The mirror's cracked. Inserted the king key and played the music box. Oh, I guess he didn't like that key.
Play the music with 12.
You pulled the key out of the box. Now there is a room around here you've not been in yet.
In this room, or?
Just in this area. And all these rooms you can go into right now, there's one you've not been in yet. That just takes you back. Make noise in 4 rooms. Feels like there's someone. Oh my god! I never noticed that. Then again, we never tried to talk to the chairs.
I don't know. What?
Where was there a door that you couldn't go through before?
The top one.
It's not the very top. You already know to unlock that you have to open the 4, or turn on the 4 torches. Okay, now, you do need to be in this room. You need to try something that you kind of were doing earlier. And that's also some good information right there. So if you had tried to pull one of the others, you would have been sucked into the wall and died.
Oh.
The pumpkins are like a very random thing to have in here. Don't you think? The door's still locked.
Yeah. I can't move. Man. Can't push them. Really?
A large clock, a red chair, a mirror, and then there's a plant.
Oh, I don't like that.
I can be the sun, I can be sand, and I can be a bird. What am I? Am I a woman? Incorrect. Oh god. It forced you out. And it took the pumpkins!
Oh, I talked to it.
Am I a man? Sun, sand, and what did it say, flower?
Sun, sand, bird.
Sun, sand, bird. Okay. What am I?
I was gonna say. No.
I like this strat. Correct. A turnkey fell out.
Oh yeah.
Got a queen key. Because you've got the bird like a cuckoo clock, sand like an hourglass, and sun, what was it called, like a sundial?
It didn't stop playing the music! I hit stop playing.
You do have what you need for that.
For that?
For what you were just doing. You inserted the queen key.
Wait.
So, you're going to have to return to a room you were in recently.
Oh, and I haven't really made noise in this one.
You can't reach the clock.
Nope, nope.
Too far. The clock starts ticking. You made noise in all 4 rooms. You heard something unlock.
Oh crap, I thought the soldier was there, just shot.
You killed him.
Good!
Okay, so Jesse said that to me and Mary's like, you killed him. And then both me and Mary were like, good.